Vidura College reception, handwork, how to make a fruit. Hello my dear kids, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to make a fruit by using clay. Children, do you like to eat fruits? Yes, we all do. Now let's see if you know these fruits. Watermelon, apple, grapes, mango, avocado, strawberry. Children, now let's see how to make a fruit.
Children, today we are going to make a fruit using clay. For that, we need clay board and a pencil. Now let's see how to make a strawberry. For that, we need red and green clay. First, take red clay and make an oval shape like this. Make it like this. Now, make the holes using this pencil like this. After that, take green clay and make the stem. Now, make a leaf for strawberry. Like this. Finally, fix both stem and leaf for the strawberry. Like this. And the leaf to here. And this is the strawberry we made. Children, you all can make your favorite fruits like this.
Dear children, I hope you all enjoy the lesson. Let's meet with a new lesson.